Hello YouTube. Now in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use a scanf command in C language. As you know, printf works as like this: lol printf quotation mark lol and a bracket close and semicolon. Now I've already told you that whatever you write in the quotation mark will be printed as it is instead of cape sequences and format specifiers. I've already taught you in my different tutorial that how to define a variable, how to save a value in a variable, what are variables, and so on. If you go, I'm going to review my previous tutorial, like how to define a variable. Int variable equals to 5, like so. We are going to write variable. It will be written as it is. Variable will be written as it is. We won't print the value at here. Equals to %d. Now I am giving comma to write the name of the variable to which this format specifier will refer the compiler. Now here it is the name of the variable. The name of the variable is variable. Now what it will do, it will read the program. It will see there is a variable defined called variable, whose data type is integer, and the value of this variable is 5. Okay, there's a semicolon and then printf. It will go give a quotation mark variable will be written as it is equal to will be written as it is, then there is space, and then there is a format specifier which will specify compiler to the variable. Now it will write variable equals to 5. Yes. So if you want to give, now basically what is scanf? Scanf, in this we used to give the value during coding, like int variable is equal to 5, int variable is equal to year, blah blah blah. And using scanf, you may take the input from user. You may take input from user and then save it to a variable to which you want. Okay, so you may give there's 3 steps to you have to follow. First is you have to first define a variable without the value. Then you have to give scanf. Third, you have to write printf, or it is optional. I will tell you why it is optional. Okay, so first we are going to define a variable without the value. Remember, we had defined the value like this before, but we are going to define a variable like this. There is a variable defined without any value. This variable will contain a garbage value. I'll tell you. I'm going to tell you what is a garbage value. A garbage value is a value which is already in your memory, but it has no use, and it is predefined by compiler to your variable. So there is int a. We have defined a variable without the value. Now second is scanf. Like printf, it has also a syntax scanf, quotation, and the format specifier. Remember, we want user to save an integer value. It means a number value to a variable a. A variable a has a data type of int, so we are going to have a %d for integer value. The user will give %d quotation comma we will write the name of variable where we want to save. Now this should not be any problem, but there is a problem which you have to really understand carefully. Okay, so this needs to have an ampersand. Now you are thinking why I have added ampersand. Ampersand refers to the address of that variable in the memory. Now what does that mean? Now it refers address of that variable in the memory. What does that mean? Like you have an address, you have a home. Someone want to mail you a parcel to your home. Now what will it do? It will not say I am going to send a parcel to Asad. There are many people who named Asad, but he will give you an address of that Asad. Now this ampersand will directly find A in the memory location and will go and save that value that the user will give in the A. So when the value will be saved, it will show the value. Now once again, int A, we have defined a variable without the value. There is a scanf which will take take input from the user in %d form, because the data type we want to save in our variable is integer, and the ampersand A will work as it will look as a address locator, and there is a variable name. Printf, it will write value equals to %d. %d is a formal specifier of A, and A will be printed. And what will be the value of A? A has a value which will be given by the user. So, and to test this out, close, and it is now asking for the input. Now we are going to give 9. Now we give input and it save the value, and then there is a printf called value equals to %d, which is going to write the value of A, and the value 9 which was saved in A, it's written. Okay, so give it now we are going to give a little again init printf, enter the value. I forgot to name a format specified terminator. Okay, it is now asking enter the value. We are giving 78. Now the value is 78. What if we don't give value? What will be the output? Consider this. The output will be a garbage value, as I said before. The value is 0. It is a garbage value 0. So it does not always 0. It sometimes go to 29454 to maybe anything. Anyway, thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you understand what is Scanf and how to use it.